If you have a print which maybe has some kinds of damage, when you say restored, does that mean it's got brownish speckles on it? Maybe it's been stored under somebody's bed without air conditioning. Those can be restored by somebody who knows what he or she is doing, but it must be done carefully and patiently. So there are different kinds of bleaching solutions a conservation expert would use maybe to get mildew or brown spots off of a lithograph. Probably if it's wrinkled or creased or torn, there are ways of carefully flattening out the sheet, and there are discrete ways of patching or mending works on paper, but it's the kind of thing that normally you would look for a professional. To take good care of art does require an investment. But there are some simple things you can do. One is to keep the artwork in a climate-controlled space. You want to avoid it being exposed to direct sunlight all the time. Some light is okay and will inhibit the mold growth, but direct blasts of sunlight through a window, probably not a good idea for a work of art.